I'm going to show you how to see old versions of websites and how and why this might be useful, as well as quite fun. So, you can go to any old website pretty much and you can have a look at how it used to look. And you can do this with Google even, or you can do it with a website that you own or that someone else owns, and you can see how it used to be. So the site that you want to go to is called Wayback Machine. So the URL for this, if you go to archive.org, that will redirect to this page, webarchive.org. And you want to use this bar up at the top to type in the URL of the site you want to go to. So I am going to show you an old version of a company website I had quite a long time ago. And the reasons that this can be useful are that you have changed the content, or you've lost a page, or maybe you've even deleted the site and you want to go back and you want to see how it used to be. Now, this is the case for this website. It was visited a lot, and this is where the website was going quite strong. So if, for example, I wanted to recreate this website, I could go here, and sometimes you're not going to have all the images load. But in this case, we're doing quite well, and they are here. So if I go down the page, I've got all the content here as it used to be, and I can see the images. And what you can do is you can recreate this site if you wanted to. And you can also go back to other versions of the site as well and see how it used to be before that. So you click on any of these, so you can do it for any site. Now, I've used this for clients and it's been really useful because what's happened is they've come to me and they've had a web designer who disappeared in one case, and they didn't know how to get back to the website that they used to have, and their website got deleted. So I was able to go back and use Wayback Machine on Internet Archive, and I could have a look at how their site used to be, and I could actually recreate the content, the images, and get it back to how it used to be. Then I could build on that and redesign it for them. I've also used this for looking at old versions of websites that people come to me for a website redesign, but they may have had a logo in the past which they don't have anymore that got redesigned, but they want to go back to an old version. So if they don't have the content to hand or the image to hand, what I can do is I can look back at how it used to be, and then I can actually grab that image if it's still there and I can reuse it. So you can do this. It's really useful for blog posts. It's also really useful if you see a page on the site where it's showing a 404 page not found error. You can look at how that page used to be when it did work. So you can type in the URL for that page and you can have a look at what used to be there. And so it's useful for SEO, so optimizing your website. So you can have a look at how things used to be, especially if, for example, a website's been migrated but a page has been removed that you wanted back. You can have a look at what was removed, and you can also have a look at maybe links that were there before that haven't been rebuilt. So I hope you find that useful. Have a go at going to archive.org if you haven't before, typing in a website, and let me know if you find it useful.